let's go to Tesco, let's go shopping.
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, trying to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spent a couple of hours, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, been asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a mini haul from Tesco. Tesco is very affordable. Affordable is relative these days because things are really expensive, and I think that is literally like a worldwide phenomenon right now. But Tesco is a pretty much affordable store where I get a lot of my groceries. I do like shopping in Tesco because it gives you a wide variety. And then they also do this thing where they say a price match with Aldi. Since I came, I haven't actually gone to Aldi. Tesco has always been like my go-to shop right back in the days. You know, my mom used to absolutely love Tesco. So I think I'm just used to Tesco, and I love the quality of their products and the fact that you have a wide variety of things to buy and shop from. So without much further ado, let's go to Tesco, let's go shopping, and then I will give you all the prices of all of the items I bought. So let's go.
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, trying to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spent a couple of hours, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, been asking.
So this is a Tesco Extra. So Tesco Extras are typically bigger than your normal Tesco shops. I used to get very confused between the Tesco Extra and the Tesco Express. And so I realized that the Tesco Extra is extra, as the name implies. So in the Tesco Extra, you do get some things cheaper than you would in your Tesco Express. So with Tesco, they do have the smaller outlets, which are called Express. And these tend to be smaller. Obviously, they carry very limited range of groceries. And don't forget your club card. I think you would get a lot of saving done. So this is my Tesco haul, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put prices on each of the items, so don't forget to watch till the end.
Your friends how to best make you smile, and I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with.
Boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time, and patiently giving you reasons to find the courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight?
Hold hands if the mood mood's right.
Make plans till the sunrise
And sleep till noon, I'll take you
to the beach, get our toes wet,
and leave after sunset.
and I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with you.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Can we? I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you.